Hey everyone, I'm Sed and I'm thrilled you're joining me on this adventure to Istanbul. Istanbul doesn't have to be expensive. Experience the magic without breaking the bank. Explore mosques, bustling bazaars, and indulge in Turkish delights. Stroll along the Bosphorus Strait and get lost in old city alleyways. Istanbul is a dream for budget explorers. Stick around for tips to make the most of your trip. Istanbul is a city where East meets West, where ancient history collides with modern life, and where your travel budget will stretch further than you thought possible. From its awe-inspiring architecture to its delectable cuisine, Istanbul offers a sensory overload of experiences that are surprisingly easy on the wallet. Compared to many European capitals, the cost of accommodation, food, and transportation in Istanbul is significantly lower, allowing you to experience more for less. Imagine wandering through the labyrinthine alleys of the Grand Bazaar, haggling for souvenirs, or savoring the aroma of freshly baked simit, Turkish bagels, sold by street vendors for just a few lira. These are the everyday experiences that make Istanbul so captivating and affordable. Get ready to be charmed by its friendly locals, its mouth-watering cuisine, and its captivating atmosphere, all without breaking the bank. Finding a comfortable and affordable place to rest your head is essential for any budget traveler, and Istanbul won't disappoint. Think cozy hostels tucked away in historic neighborhoods where you can snag a dorm bed for under $15 a night, meet fellow travelers from around the world, and swap stories over Turkish tea. Or consider immersing yourself in local life by opting for a guest house, known as pansiyon in Turkish. These family-run establishments offer a more authentic experience, with simple but clean rooms often going for under $30 a night. For those who prefer a bit more privacy and independence, Airbnb is your best friend. Look for apartments or rooms in vibrant neighborhoods like Beyoğlu or Kadıköy, where you can find amazing deals for under $40 a night, giving you the freedom to cook some meals and live like a local. Save money and experience Istanbul by using its efficient and affordable public transportation system. Hop on a tram through Sultanahmet, or a bus to colorful neighborhoods like Balat or Fener. And don't forget the ferries. Cruise the Bosphorus for a scenic and efficient way to travel between Europe and Asia. Get an Istanbulkart for discounted fares on all public transportation. But remember, half the fun is getting lost in its enchanting streets. Put on your walking shoes and discover hidden gems at every turn. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite word, free. Istanbul is overflowing with incredible sights and experiences that won't cost you a single lira. Start your journey in the heart of the old city at Sultanahmet Square, where you can marvel at the architectural wonders of the Blue Mosque and the Hagia Sophia. Escape the city buzz with a stroll through Gulhane Park, a tranquil oasis adjacent to Topkapi Palace. Here you can relax amidst colorful flowers, enjoy the shade of ancient trees and soak in panoramic views of the Bosphorus, all for free. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds without emptying your wallet because Istanbul is a paradise for food lovers, especially those on a budget. Forget fancy restaurants. The real culinary adventures happen on the streets and in local eateries. Start your day like a local with a freshly baked simit, often sprinkled with sesame seeds for just a few lira. For a savory and satisfying lunch, grab a durum, a delicious wrap filled with grilled meat or falafel, or indulge in a plate of kofte served with rice and salad. And for an authentic dining experience, venture into the back streets and seek out local esnaf restaurants, where you can enjoy traditional Turkish home-cooked meals at unbelievably affordable prices. Bringing home a piece of Istanbul doesn't have to break the bank. While the Grand Bazaar and Spice Market are must-visits for their sensory overload of colors, smells, and treasures, they're also prime spots to put your bargaining skills to the test. For unique and affordable souvenirs, venture beyond the tourist traps and explore local neighborhoods. Head to the back streets of Beyoğlu, or Fatih, where you'll find small shops selling everything from handmade ceramics and textiles to antiques and spices. Experiencing the best of Istanbul doesn't have to mean splurging on expensive tours. Start your explorations with a free walking tour. These tours, often led by passionate locals, offer a fantastic introduction to the city's history, culture, and hidden gems. If you're a museum enthusiast, consider purchasing the Istanbul Museum Pass. This pass grants you access to multiple museums including Topkapi Palace and the Istanbul Archaeological Museums, at a discounted price, saving you money and time. For a true taste of local life, immerse yourself in Istanbul's vibrant cultural scene. Check out free concerts, exhibitions and festivals that take place throughout the year. From traditional Turkish music performances to contemporary art displays, there's always something to pique your interest without spending a dime. While Istanbul is generally a safe city, it's essential to stay informed and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. Be aware of common tourist scams, such as overcharging for taxis or selling counterfeit goods. To stay connected without breaking the bank, consider purchasing a local SIM card upon arrival. Turkey has several mobile operators offering affordable data and call packages, allowing you to stay connected, navigate the city with ease, and share your adventures with friends and family back home. Remember, a little common sense goes a long way. Keep your valuables secure, be mindful of your surroundings, and don't hesitate to ask locals for help or directions if needed. Stay safe and enjoy your budget adventure. So there you have it, my insider tips and tricks for experiencing the magic of Istanbul on a budget. From its awe-inspiring historical landmarks to its bustling markets and delicious cuisine, Istanbul offers a wealth of unforgettable experiences that won't break the bank. By embracing the art of budget travel, you'll not only save money, but also create memories that will last a lifetime. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to discover the magic of Istanbul without emptying your wallet. Istanbul is one of those places that just gets under your skin. It's a city of contrasts where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. With a little planning and these tips, you can enjoy Istanbul's rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine without emptying your wallet. So what are you waiting for? Istanbul awaits. Remember, the world is waiting to be explored affordably.